Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. I recently bought so much makeup from ColourPop and from Sephora. ColourPop launched their Valentine's Day collection. I absolutely love last year's Valentine's Day collection, and so obviously when they had this collection I needed to snatch it up. Although their website did crash at the very beginning, it took forever to log on and load and everything. It was stressful, but we managed to secure a pretty good amount of stuff, so I have that here. And then also we got a box from Sephora, so I'm just gonna open everything. So without further ado, let's get right into it. First up, I think we'll do ColourPop. I was so excited when I saw this collection launch. I thought there was going to be like a cute Valentine's Day box. Okay, I guess not. I got 7 different items and I paid $76.84 USD, which is like $90 to $100 Canadian. I just have a slip that has my order, and then I have the little card that they always include. This one says "We're falling for you," which kind of disappointed. It's more of like a fall card and it's not very Valentine's Day, but it is wrapped really well. Like they put so much bubble wrap in here. The packaging on this is so cute. Oh yeah, I did also get some stuff that's not part of the Valentine's Day collection. I think we're gonna do blush because I loved their blushes last year. Did they send me? I think they messed up. They sent me 2 of the same blushes. I'm so sad. This one was like my second pick. I just really liked the packaging, but the first one I wanted was like the one I wanted the most. And I think they're sold out now, so I'm gonna have to email them, but I'm so sad. This is the blush in the shade Baby Cakes. Originally, I was supposed to get a Baby Cakes one and a Kiss and Tell, which I think I got that shade last year. Really liked it, but it broke, and so I just threw it away, and that's why I was so excited to get another one. So this is it. The compact is just so stinking cute, and I liked the color. It's like a plum color, which is why I chose this one. I don't know how it swatches, but this is it. And then they all come with a little mirror. We'll do a quick swatch. Okay, that's not too scary of a color. I feel like it'll blend out nice. It looks a lot scarier in the little pan. If they let me keep the second one, then I'm gonna do a giveaway for you guys. I'll probably know by the time I post this, so if they do let me keep the second one and refund me or send me a new one, like the correct one, I'll do a giveaway for this, because I also picked up something else that I wanted to give away to one of you guys. Next up, I got 2 of the hairbrushes. These hairbrushes, honestly, so cute. Look at this. This is their little hairbrush. How freaking cute is this? It just says ColourPop in white. It's so cute and tiny. It's actually a really good hairbrush. Wow. I'm gonna do this side too. That way it's even. Handle is very small and it's really nice fitting in your hand. It's not too big, it's not too small. I actually really like this hairbrush. I'm happy that I snatched this up. If they have a restock, definitely try to pick this one up. If they let me keep this, and I obviously have this one extra which I ordered, I will be giving both away to one of you guys. All you have to do to enter is make sure you are subscribed, definitely hit that like button on today's video, and then comment down below. Want to do something Valentine's Day-y, so comment down below your favorite pink or red item that you own. So is it a top? Is it a sweater? Is it a pair of sneakers? Is it a purse? I'm just looking at a bunch of random pink things that I see right now in my room. So whatever it is, comment down below your favorite pink item. I'll have all the information linked in the description and an update on if I'm able to give away the blush or what's going to happen with that. So definitely check down the description. Moving on, I picked up 3 more things. This is my Ride or Die translucent setting powder. I have been using this for 2 to 3 years. Holy grail, absolutely recommend this one. I was running low, so I just picked up another one. Super inexpensive too, and a great dupe for the Laura Mercier one. Looks like that. and I got it in the shade Translucent. There's a bunch of different shades, so you can pick whichever one you want, but this one just works perfectly for me. Wear it all the time. I wear it for long periods of time, and my makeup does not budge, so Love that. Also picked up makeup wipes. I know makeup wipes are controversial. You're not supposed to use makeup wipes, but I keep them at my boyfriend's house. 85% of the time I don't wear makeup to my boyfriend's house, but that odd time I have to do something for like content and stuff, I put on a bit of makeup, and honestly this is the fastest way to take it off, and it's super convenient. I have like a little basket in my boyfriend's room that I just kind of like leave it there, so it's convenient, it's quick, and I can just, you know, grab a wipe, take off my face, and that's that. So I did pick up makeup wipes. And lastly, I picked up this little cute lip balm that I saw, and I just wanted to try it. I really love having lip balms, and I'm running low, and this is Coconut by Fourth Ray Beauty, which is their sister brand. Ooh, it comes out on an angle. This smells so good. Oh, wow. This is like a first impression. Bomb. 10 out of 10. I really like this so far. It just like glides on and it smells so good. Known to deeply nurture dry, parched lips with essential moisture. So that is everything that I got for $100 Canadian, 77 USD. And now moving on to Sephora. We love a good Sephora haul. I usually started only shopping at Sephora now when they have sales, but I bought a bunch of stuff from The Ordinary, which you guys should know I love The Ordinary. Super inexpensive, and they don't go on sale anyways. There is so much. For Sephora, I picked up 8 different items for $38.65. A lot of it is like little samples, and again, The Ordinary, which is super inexpensive. Highly recommend them for skincare. Item number 1 that I got, I've talked about this before. This is The Ordinary toner. First of all, look how big this is, and it's under $11. It's like $10.90. Look at this. It's massive, and it has this at first, but it also comes with this if you want to use it. I could really see a difference in my skin when I stopped and compared to when I started using it, so I was like, I need to stop being lazy and I need to start doing it again. So that's why I purchased everything. I kind of want to get back into doing skincare, and I also wanted to try a bunch of new products randomly one day, so I was like, let's just see what Sephora has to offer. I got 2 other things from The Ordinary. These are a little smaller, but still super affordable. One is a brand new product that they came out with. I cannot say it for the life of me, so this is it. I'm not even going to try to pronounce it, honestly. It's supposed to help with pore minimization, and I have a bit of pores just along here. What it is: non-irritating squalane-based serum formulated with salicylic acid to effectively decongest the skin and exfoliate its surface. So that's what this little guy is. It was $7.10. Next up, we got the hyaluronic acid 2% plus B5. I've actually had this before, and again, I really liked it. This is it. Again, super inexpensive, small little bottle. It's great. You only need a couple of drops, so these last forever, especially the toner also. I also picked up NARS Creamy Concealer. Everybody raves about NARS Creamy Concealer, so I bit the bullet and I tried a small size of it. I picked it up in the shade Madeline Light 2.3. I like my concealers obviously to be brighter than my foundation, and seemed like a good shade. For size, this is obviously my pinky, and that is how big the tube is. This is the mini travel size, so it was $18, just so you guys can see how much you get. And last but not least, we got samples and points. So for samples, I picked up the Laneige Water Bank Eye Gel, and also the Always On Optimist Primer Collection by Rare Beauty. Saw this, had to snatch it up. Everybody still raves about Rare Beauty, and I honestly haven't tried that many products from them. And this is the Laneige Water Eye Cream that I picked up. Points wise, these are the 2 that I chose. Usually I don't redeem my points, but honestly Sephora points kind of suck in my opinion. This is the Environmental Shield Rapid Dark Spot Correcting Serum. Amazing reviews online, so I wanted to test it out. It was 100 points, and honestly, with their products like this, I noticed a little goes a long way. You usually just need like a super small like dot size. And lastly, we got the Curl Charisma, which if you guys didn't know, a lot of people actually don't know this, but I have pretty like wavy curlyish hair when it's like damp out of the shower. My hair is naturally wavy and curly. I do straighten my hair pretty much every day. I know it's bad for my hair, but I've been able to maintain my hair and I keep it very like healthy and shiny. But yeah, it's kind of wavy and curly, but I don't really know the correct products to use, but I kind of want to start keeping my hair a little bit more curly, especially on days where I know I'm not going to do anything and I just want to like relax, which is why I picked this up. I've heard amazing things about this brand, about the company. I have tried them a little bit before. Some of their products have not worked for me, or I found better ones that I personally like that are more affordable. Check out Fanola, and it'll be linked in the description. I have a promo code for them. The best hair stuff. Now that I remember, actually this wasn't a points perk. It was actually just like a promo code you put in and it got added to your bag after you spent a certain amount of money. So this is the one that I chose. Take advantage of the free samples and the little perks you get. But yeah guys, that is everything for today's video. I hope you enjoyed my pretty big makeup haul. Don't forget to subscribe if you're not already subscribed. Give this video a big thumbs up, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye!